Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to rotate a video on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now let's navigate to Albums, Media Types, Videos, where all the video footage is. And now go to any video you wish to. Let's just click on the last that we have worked with, and I go to edit, or let's just click on done. And on the top navigation menu to the right hand side of the screen, we have some options: information, share, like, rotate is what we require. So click on this. This will rotate anti-clockwise. If we wish to rotate again, we can click on this once more, and revert back to the original. If we go to edit, the option will not change, and therefore we would have to go to the top navigation menu, go to image. We can either rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise. On that occasion it was anti-clockwise. Now let's click on rotate clockwise, and there we go. We can then click on done. Go back one, and there we have the video that was rotated clockwise within the Photos application on a Mac computer. So we can now go to Photos, quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.